Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by launching Excel using the keyboard so you stay hands-on. Press the Windows key, type Excel, and hit Enter. Once the workbook is open, use Ctrl+O to open existing files or Ctrl+N to create a new workbook. Make sure to press Alt to reveal ribbon keys, then follow the letter cues to switch tabs. This is faster than hunting with a mouse because keyboard shortcuts map directly to commands and keep your flow moving. Now you'll select and change cell contents using precise keystrokes. Use arrow keys to move one cell and Ctrl plus an arrow to jump to data edges. This saves time in large sheets. Hold Shift while moving to select a range or Ctrl plus Shift for whole blocks. To modify a cell's text or formula, press F2, edit inline, then press Enter to commit or ESC to cancel. These steps let you edit rapidly while keeping spreadsheet structure intact. Finish by applying commands and wrapping up changes without touching the mouse. Use Ctrl+1 to open format cells, or press Alt and follow the ribbon letters for font, alignment, and number formats. This ensures consistent presentation. Insert rows with Ctrl+Shift++ and remove them with Ctrl+. If something goes wrong, press Ctrl+Z to undo, and use F4 to repeat the last action when appropriate. If shortcuts don't work, make sure numlock and keyboard layout are correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.